You could have the perfect script, the perfect product, and the perfect price and still lose the deal. I have seen it happen hundreds of times. The rep said all the right things and still walked out with nothing. You want to know why? It was not what they said. It was how they said it. Tonality is the most underrated skill in sales, and today I'm going to show you exactly what it is, why it matters, and how to use it to close more deals starting right now. Because once you understand how much your voice is already costing you or earning you, you will never approach a conversation the same way again. Most sales training focuses on words, what to say, when to say it. But research consistently shows that the majority of how we communicate has nothing to do with the actual words we use. It's the tone, it's the pace, and the energy. In home services, where you are sitting across from someone in their living room, tonality can be a difference between a signature and a goodbye. Today, we are breaking it all down. Let's clear this up right away. Tonality is not just speaking louder. It's not just being enthusiastic. And it's definitely not just sounding nice. Tonality is the emotional delivery behind your words. It's your pace, it's your pitch, it's your pauses, it's your rhythm, your certainty, and your emotional control. That means two reps can say the exact same sentence and get totally different results based only on how they deliver it. It's the game. Most reps are asleep at the wheel here. They're so focused on the script that they never stop to think about what their voice is actually communicating underneath the words. That's the problem, because homeowners are reading their tone long before we're analyzing your logic. Before they trust your price, they trust or distrust your delivery. Before they buy your solution, they buy or reject your certainty. That's why at Top Rep, we teach 3 core tonalities to help reps lead the appointment the right way. The playful tonality is mostly used during the rapport building and discovery. The tone is a little lighter, it's a little faster, and it's higher in pitch. Not goofy or fake, not clown mode, but warm, easy, and human. This is where you sound approachable and easy to talk to. Then we have our confident tonality. This is what should carry most of the appointment. This tone is slower, more grounded, and more certain. The power comes from the gut, not from your throat. This is the tone that says, I know what I'm doing, and you're in good hands. Not aggressive, not pushy, just solid. Your compassionate tonality becomes critical when you're answering questions, handling concerns, or moving through the closing process after price is given. The tone drops lower, slows down, and uses pauses strategically. This is where the homeowner feels heard instead of cornered. This is where you keep control without sounding defensive. Reps who don't know how to shift into this tone after price usually sound weak, defensive, or combative, and all 3 lose deals. Here's what a lot of reps don't understand. Prospects do not make decisions based only on logic. They make emotional decisions first, then use logic to justify them, which means your tone is often doing more work than your words. A confident tone communicates certainty. A rushed tone communicates nervousness. A defensive tone communicates insecurity. A needy tone communicates desperation. And a calm tone communicates control. That all happens fast, faster than most reps can realize. Imagine a homeowner says, your price is higher than the other company. And the rep says, hey, I totally understand. Let me explain why we cost more. Now, those words by themselves are not the disaster. But if that comes out fast, tight, high-pitched, and defensive, the homeowner hears something very different. They hear that they hit a nerve. They hear that you are not comfortable. And they hear that they've got you backed up against the wall. Now take nearly the same idea with a different delivery. Bob, I understand. Pause. Let me ask you something. Pause. If both proposals were exactly the same price, which company would you choose? Now, all of a sudden, the rep sounds calm, controlled, unbothered, and certain. Same conversation, different tone, different results. That's why tonality controls the sale, because the homeowner is constantly asking themselves one silent question. Does this person feel like someone I should trust? And your voice answers that question before your presentation ever does. Now let's talk about the tonal patterns that are quietly hurting reps every single day. Nervous tonality is the rep who talks fast, explains too much, and sounds like they need the homeowner to approve of them. That tone creates resistance because uncertainty is contagious. If you sound unsure, the homeowner starts feeling unsure. Overeager tonality is the rep who sounds way too excited at the wrong time. Everything is big, everything is high energy, everything feels like a pitch. That doesn't build trust. It makes the homeowner feel they're being worked over. Defensive tonality shows up when price comes out and when the homeowner starts pushing back. The rep starts tightening up, talking faster, explaining harder, and trying to prove themselves. The minute your tone says, I need to defend this, the homeowner feels they've gained leverage. They have gotten the control. Approval-seeking tone is deadly. It's when the rep sounds like they are asking for permission all appointment long. Even when they are saying the right words, their tone says, please like me, please agree with me, please don't reject me. And homeowners feel that. Not because they're trained in sales psychology, but because people can smell weakness. That's just human nature. So how do you identify these patterns inside of yourself? Record yourself. That is the answer most reps avoid because they hate hearing themselves. Good. Hear yourself anyway. Because the version of you in your head and the version of you coming out of your mouth are often not the same person at all. And one of them is costing you thousands and thousands of dollars. If this video helped you, YouTube has this crazy AI that is probably already suggesting the next best video for you to screen right now. Go watch that next, because the more you understand this stuff, the better your results are going to be. And I also want to invite you to take a second and please subscribe to this channel, because the majority of you that watch these videos are not subscribed yet. We're building this channel to help you grow your sales career, sharpen your process, and become a multi-million-dollar sales rep. We will see you on the next video.